Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Barclays mobile banking account. If you've recently enrolled for online banking for Barclays Bank but you don't know how to log into your account, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by tapping open your web browser. Go to the address bar at the top and type in www.barclays.co.uk and search. From the official website of Barclays Bank, which looks like this, go to the login button at the upper right hand and tap it on. Choose how you'd like to log into your account. You can select from either a membership number, card number, or short code and account number. Choose any one from the three options displayed at the top. In my case, I'm going to choose this membership number option. Now go ahead and type in your last name in the text box that appears right beneath. Once you do that, type in your membership number. If you don't remember your membership number, then tap on this Don't Know Your Membership Number link and follow the instructions. If you'd like the system to remember your last name and your login method, check this box over here and then tap on Continue. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to your next page. Simply follow the on-screen prompts in order to log into your account for Barclays. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.